Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. My name is Sensei Crypto, and I'm going to bring you some breaking news about gold. We've been following this trade for a long time. In fact, this trading pattern has been in effect for about 13-14 years, all the way from 2011. We have kept our eye on this trade for the past year. We had this beautiful cup and handle structure, and I'll tell you exactly where I think my targets are for gold. But it's been a very nice trade. Gold is one of my favorite investments. Again, anything I say during this video is not financial advice. I'm here for to share my passion of charts and give you my thoughts only. It is not financial advice. But looking at targets of this trade, you'd take your target would be from the top of this the cup to the bottom of the cup. You take it to the breakout point, and you're looking at the breakout point either at 2,100 or around $2,000, which gives you a target of $2,845 an ounce. We did have short-term resistance, and the way we calculated that resistance was two ways. One is a full Fibonacci from the high in 2011 to the low in 2015/16, and that gives us our 1618 Fibonacci zone at $2,500, which we have broken through, which is a very bullish sign. And then again, we can take a more of a short-term target, which is still quite a long-term target, which you take from the high of 2020 to the low of 2022. That gives you the same resistance box at the lower end at 2,300, and then it confirms. Look at that Fibonacci confirming the target of this cup that we just showed you at $2,845 exactly. When you see those take profit zones, those resistance points line up in multiple senses, it makes it more likely, in my opinion, that you do reach that area, and that area does form some resistance. So we are well on our way to my first target, my main target of this massive trade that we've been following, the trade that we've done a full-on report on gold. I did a full report on gold. I wonder if I can bring it up for you to show. Let me see. I'll show you. If you look at last week's video on this channel, you'll have a look at that gold report, but that's what's bringing us up to $2,845. The Fed reduced interest rates by 0.5%, very bullish for gold again. People want to start investing their money again, which is good for gold. We're now looking at our next the next meeting, and the targets are, it's another 50-50. Actually, there's more chance that we're having a 0.5% cut. Again, that's what the market's pricing in, and another 0.5% cut. Do I think that's going to happen? Only if the Fed has data suggesting that they need to cut rates quickly. I did express my opinion of a sudden panic with a 0.5% cut. If they do it again, that might exert more panic, and we might see actually a move downwards. But for gold, looking good. The trade is continuing. I do see another 7% up for gold. As you can see, on the year it's up 36%, year to date it's up 27%, 6 months it's up 21%, 3 months it's up 11%, 1 month it's up 4.3%, and on the week it's up 2.5%. It is one of the best assets of the year, one of the best assets of the year. Yeah, so that's my analysis on gold. I do think we're continuing up. I think my take profit zone is around 2,845 dollars an ounce of gold. Again, we don't want to lose support at $2,483. If we do come back down there, that is not a problem. We can see something like this occur. More accurately, it could be something like this occur. So this is our target, 2,845. If it comes back to 2,500, that is an area where you well, I might be buying some more. But thank you for tuning in. You can see videos. What am I doing? Over here and down here. For some reason, my camera has been mirrored, so there'll be a playlist and a video for you to watch. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.